Peach and Pepper, the Mastro twins, they're the Mastro twins. Eli, Eva, Peach and Pepper, they're the Mastro twins.
Hi, my name is Eva. Today I'm going to go to the Reniassance Festival. My name is Peach. I'm going to raise this vegetable. She said vegetable. My name is Ela. Today I'm going to the Reniassance Festival.
Go take a picture. Say cheese. Go to the right side there. Así es, mija. There you go. All right, come on.
Poppy, I see a cat. I see a cat.
Eva, how old are you now?
6.
How old are you, Eli?
6.
How old are you, Peach?
I'm 6.
No, you're not. You're 3.
3 or 2.
How old are you, Pepper?
That's 3.
3.
That's a good.
Try that again. You know what happens? They know the rules and they're not following them. All right. One more. Here we go.
So we've come all the way to the Reniassance Festival so that our kids could swing on swings, even though, yeah, that they have at home. Nice. Slide down the pole, Eva, come on. Hold on, 2 hands, yep.
I slided from the top.
You what?
I slided from the top.
You sure did. Eli's looking at the wands. Dun, dun, dun. Don't touch, Peach. Peach, don't touch. Pepper, don't touch. Oh my God. You have to bring other kids here. Just focus all on pushing them. Go again. Wow, good one, Eva. Yeah. Go ahead, Eli. Oh, that's looking good. Yeah, nicely done. Yeah, good job. Yeah. Oh yeah, punch up here. Pretend you're punching there. Oh. Eli, don't do that.
Thank you for coming. Much appreciated.
Thank you for the invite.
You good, Eva? Was it good?
Eli, Eva, Peach, and Pepper, the Mastro twins. They're the Mastro twins.